Welcome to Elite Business Suite, an all-in-one platform and application that brings everything you need to supercharge your business, attract customers, and skyrocket your profits. In Elite Business Suite, you'll find features like a full-fledged customer relationship management system to manage all your leads and customers, the power to create a sleek website with interactive pages and seamless payment process, oversee all your communication in one place, including email, SMS, WhatsApp, web chat, and social media messages. Manage and deliver training courses, including easy group creation and administration. Track and handle all your marketing campaigns on Google and Facebook. Boost your online reputation and get more reviews on Google. Publish content seamlessly across your social media platforms. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and automation for messaging and follow-ups, and so much more. Elite Business Suite is your one-stop solution, eliminating the need for multiple subscriptions and software payments, saving you money, time, and effort. The powerful combination of software plus your service and expertise will drive your customer retention and your profits through the roof. Sign up now for a 14-day free trial.